Hello guys, it's FlightMat here. Today it's a quick tutorial on how to start up the engines on the CJ4 Cessna. And okay, let's start. It's quite simple. Here we go. That's a new livery of this Lufthansa Flight Academy. Okay, so let's say we are at the gate, park at the gate, parking brakes is set. Let's go back to the flight deck, and first what we have to do. Okay, first of all we need some power, so let's take it from the generators. Let's put it to on position, battery as well to on, and now we'll get this alarm here. We just have to press it in a second. Let's wait. Here we go, we can reset it. Of course, we do have fuel, so everything is checked. And what else? Avionics to dispatch mode, right? And we can start with the engine number 1. So before we do it, we of course have to put nav lights and beacon lights. Beacon lights are just to show the ground staff that we will be starting the engine shortly. And this light is right over here at the top, so everyone can see it. Here we go, blinking red light. Sometimes on the bigger planes this light is also at the bottom here, so the people underneath the plane, they can see it. Okay. And we can start. I will just move the camera here to the front. That's the maximum. And we can press the... Let's open the little windows. Let's put the starter to on. And we are starting engine number... Sorry, right engine. And as per checklist, we have to wait for this number to rise into 20 or above 20%. Here we go, 20%. We can click start or run. And now the engine should start spinning even faster. As we said, we are starting the right engine. Of course, at the time of starting up the right engine, we have to all the time control those numbers here and the temperatures, if everything is in green or yellow positions. So that was engine number 2, right engine. And let's start with the left engine now. The N2 speed is rising, 10% in a second. Here we go, 20. And we can stop, we can press the run button. Let's close it. And in the meantime, we can put avionics to on. Now actually both engines are running, and that was actually it. Quick startup and nothing else to do. Here we go, and now you can ask for taxi clearance and you are ready to go for the flight. I hope you enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching. See you next time.